Namaste, my name is Hemant and I am here today's your yoga instructor for Surya Namaskar. Uh, for Surya Namaskar, let's stand up. Okay, let's stand up and come in front of a mat. Be in front of a mat. Come to the front of your mat and just make sure your both legs are together. Don't spread your legs. Just make them together, and you try to touch your knees, your thighs. Make your roll your shoulder back. Okay, roll your shoulder back. The first thing, you need to be in an aligned position. From head to toe, you need to be aligned in a straight line. Okay, now slowly roll your shoulder back and hand straight. Firmly touch the ground, touch the mat from your fingers. Firmly touch the ground. Okay, spread your fingers of your leg, of your foot, and just feel grounded, feel earth. Okay, and just hip tight, hip front, chest little bit front. Inhale. Your stomach should go inside and your hands should be straight, chin little bit up. Okay, inhale and slowly inhale. Bring your both hands to the side. Inhale, spread your hands. Inhale the fresh oxygen into your lungs. And exhale, do Pranamasana. This is Pranamasana. Both hands together, okay, in front of your heart and heart chakra. And slowly exhale. Okay, and slowly inhale and bring your both hands straight up. Okay, straight. Inhale and little bit of back bending, not much. Okay, little bit of back bending. Inhale, look up. And exhale, slowly straight your hand, straight your back, and slowly go down, look straight, don't make your back curve. Okay, first make your both palms on your knees, make sure your back is straight, and slowly go down, slowly reach down. Try to touch the chin on your knee, and your hand, try to touch your whole palms on the ground. If not, you can just stay like cupping your hand and just go like down, this, like down. Bend your elbow, drop down from your hip. If you have any back problem, if you have any knee problem, then just bend your knee a little bit. Okay, you don't need to have hold straight your legs, but need to little bit you can bend your knees and look straight, or you can just grab on your seat or knees. Okay, Uttanasana, or you can just fully forward, standing forward fold. Okay, and slowly inhale, and third step is inhale, bring your right leg to the back of the mat. Hold right leg to the back of the mat and look straight. Inhale and slowly drop your right knee. Okay, your left leg should be 90 degrees. Okay, alignment is very important. Left leg should not go very front, or it should not be come back. Your knees should not be come back. It should be aligned with your body. Align, and you can just cup your hands in your fingers and look up. Inhale, look up. You can turn your sole of your foot upward. Look up. Inhale, Ashwasandharanasana. Okay, and bring your hip front. Okay, bring your hip front. Little bit hip front. Look up. Ashwasandharanasana. Inhale. Equestrian pose. We call it equestrian pose also. Look up. And slowly exhale. Sit on your toes. Sit on your fingers of your foot and lift your knees. Bring your left leg also back. Okay, bring your left leg also back and both legs together, and hips should be up and back. Your hips should face in the sky. Bring your hip up in the sky and look at your navel region. Try to press from your hand, from your palms, hand straight, leg straight. Look towards your navel region. Okay, if it's difficult for you, if this is difficult for you, it's called Parvatasana or mountain pose. If it's difficult for you, then you can just bend your knees. Okay, bend your knees and lift your heels up and press from your palm. Okay, otherwise you can straight your legs and try to make your back straight. Don't over stretch down, or don't make your back forward. Just make it aligned pose. Alignment is very important. Okay, now slowly exhale out all the air from your mouth. Exhale out all the air from your nose and hold the pose. Okay, hold the breath and drop your knees. Okay, drop your knees. Face your biceps forward. Turn your biceps forward. Look straight and slowly bring your hip forward and bend your elbows. Bend your both elbows. Touch from your chest. Your hip is up, and look, and then touch your chin. Your elbows should not spread wide. Elbows should be tucked inside. Look straight. Okay, hold your breath. Now slowly face your sole of the foot upward in the sky and press from your palms, looking up. Inhale. Just come up from your lower back. Okay, just come up from your lower back. Shoulders should not come front. It should be spread wide and back. Shoulders should be away from your ears. Look up. Inhale. This is called Bhujangasana. Okay, Cobra pose. Inhale. Look straight. Your hands are firmly on the ground. Don't try to stretch your hand like 100%. Just a little bit bending is very good for your back and for your alignment also. Inhale, look up, chest forward, Bhujangasana, and slowly exhale. Exhale from your nose, and once again come in mountain pose. Okay, come in mountain pose. Once again come to mountain pose. The hand should be on the ground, your both palms, your both legs, sole of a foot should be on the ground. Look at navel region like before, hip up and back. Now slowly inhale, bring your right leg front, and in between your hands. Okay, drop your left knee slowly, and your right leg is aligned 90 degree. Cup your hands, or you can place your palms down. I just place your foot on the ground, or you can just tuck inside. It's your own choice. Okay, and look up. Inhale. Press your hip forward. Inhale, look up. And slowly exhale. Exhale out air and bring your both legs together. Okay, and again Uttanasana. This is Uttanasana. Dasa Uttanasana. And slowly inhale now. Then Uttanasana once again. If you have any back problem, then just slightly bend your knees. Okay, slightly bend your knees. Otherwise, you can just try to straight your leg and chin down, or you can just bend your knees a little bit. No worries. Now slowly inhale and bring your both hands straight, back straight. Come from a lower back, straight from a lower back. No hunching. Okay, and both hands straight and little bit back bending. Inhale. And slowly exhale, do pranam. Yeah. This is pranam-asana. Okay. It's a one round of Surya Namaskar. Okay? It's a one round on right side. This same is done on the left side. The one leg that we bring back, same legs come front. Namaste.